Hi mom, just checking in. I know last week let's see, it looks like, we talked about some homework, which was for you to practice 3 signs, right? I think it was more, it was help and all done. So that's more and help and all done. Okay. How did that go this week?
Not good. Not good.
Okay. It's kind of hard. Okay.
There's no progress. I'm stuck.
Okay, let's talk about it. So right now, the current pattern is your son wants something, right? Let's say he wants chips and he brings you the bag of chips and he just puts it in your lap. And then you open the bag of chips and give it to him, right? That's his way of communicating, I want more chips. But what I want you to do is I want you to pause. The next time he brings you the chips, I want you to pause, take a second, and I want you to model the sign. Help. And then get little hands, sign help. And then you say help, okay, and then you open the chips and then you give it to him. Here, I'll help you. Let's break that kind of new pattern down together. The new pattern is motivation is present for your help to open the bag of chips, and then you're going to model the sign for help. You're going to physically assist him in signing, and then you help him. So you're inserting a communication opportunity that wasn't there before. Okay? And there are many tiny little instances throughout your day where this is present, and we're missing them right now, but that's okay. I'm here to coach and support you. And then going forward, you're going to catch those opportunities. And instead of giving him items for free, you're going to pause, insert a communication opportunity, and then grant him the item he wanted, right? Does that make sense? I know it's kind of tricky to kind of wrap your brain around. Let's do another example. So he really likes his apple juice, right? So today he brought it to you and then you poured it in his cup and you gave him more. Going forward, what I want you to do is when he brings you the apple juice, pause, sign more, get little hands, more, okay, more, I'll pour you more, and then you pour his apple juice and give it to him in his cup. And it's really gonna be that repetition, that ample practice throughout the day with different snacks, different drinks, different toys. Like if you're playing or chasing him, go ahead and pause and then utilize that opportunity for him to ask you for more. So the old pattern was I want something, I bring it to mom, and she gives it to me. The new pattern is I want something, I sign, and then mom gives it to me, right? So that is how communication works. That's how we're going to teach him his first signs. It's a new learned pattern. And the more time with more repetition and more practice, you do this throughout the day, the better he's going to learn that skill. What are your thoughts?
It makes sense. I know it's going to be hard.
I totally understand. As a mom, you're just like, let me attend to his needs, right? Because as a mom, you know him best. You can anticipate his needs. You know what he wants. You can read him like the back of your hand because you are an amazing mother. Going forward, since we really want to prioritize communication, this is where the pause is going to come in. And it's really just practice at this point. Yeah. And then just from there, across days and weeks, what you'll notice is you might notice some initiation on his end, and you're going to fade out your help. You're going to fade out the pressure on his little hands. Instead of guiding him here, you might guide him like at the elbows and kind of help him put the sign together and he can kind of finish it. So you're fading your help over time. So the next week I see you, you're going to fade out your help even more. Have grace with yourself. It's going to take time to learn a new skill. And if you think about it, you guys are both learning this new skill at the same time, right? You're learning how to teach him a new sign, and he's learning these new things for the first time. So I commend you. Keep doing what you're doing. It's working. Wonderful. Do you have any questions for me before I get ready to head out? Okay. Cool. I will catch you next week. Thank you so much and have a great weekend. If you found this helpful, you might want to learn what's the best first sign to teach your nonverbal autistic child. Here's my video about just that from your favorite BCBA. Keep showing up. Keep doing the work. You got this.